Hello people, nice day today. We have an official training on the very nice racetrack near Lithuaniai. So I made several laps, my lap timing is good, and I will show you some footage and maybe some drone footage, because it's a really nice day, really nice track and good layout.
Startuoja 6-8.
So people, the end of the day, going back home, I made the best time of the day overall, also first in front-wheel drive class, and it is nice. It was just a training, not a race, but unfortunately it is the last time when I drive in my Cupra on the racetrack, because next week I'm selling it. It is a really nice car, but I need to go forward. So see you soon. If you like my videos, please subscribe, and let's drive different cars on the racetrack.